GMC just revealed the details for the 2026 Canyon, and instead of chasing flashy redesigns like other automakers, they're focusing on 6 strategic changes that make this midsize truck smarter than ever. If you're tired of automakers forcing unnecessary updates just to justify higher prices, the Canyon's calculated refinements are going to restore your faith in sensible engineering. While rivals are betting everything on complete overhauls and controversial redesigns, GMC is strengthening capability, formalizing off-road dominance, and keeping prices surprisingly competitive. Number 6. Visual enhancements. The 2026 Canyon isn't receiving a major cosmetic overhaul, and that's actually fine when the current design remains competitive. What GMC is doing instead is refreshing the truck's visual appeal through calculated color and wheel updates. The most noticeable change arrives in the form of Coastal Dune, a new exterior color that replaces deep bronze metallic across the entire lineup. This earthy, sophisticated tone speaks directly to adventure-oriented buyers who gravitate toward the 18.4 and 18.4X trims. Where things get more interesting is the wheel strategy. The popular Elevation trim is ditching its dark gray painted 18-inch wheels in favor of a contemporary gloss black aluminum finish. This addresses a clear market preference as blacked-out styling continues dominating buyer wish lists. The 1840 trim follows suit with gloss black aluminum wheels featuring a machined finish. For those seeking even more visual distinction, the AT4 exclusive Nightfall Essentials package now features distinct 20-inch machine-faced wheels with dark pockets, offering a premium aesthetic below the Denali level. GMC is reading the market correctly, understanding that contemporary truck buyers value modern finishes and cohesive design language. Major sheet metal changes likely aren't coming until 2027, making this approach smart for preserving capital. So the Canyon looks good with its new details, but visual appeal means nothing if the truck can't back it up with genuine capability, which brings us to how GMC is formalizing its extreme off-road performance. Number 5. Off-road upgrades. The AT4X AEV edition represents something important. GMC is doubling down on extreme off-road capability as a core brand pillar. Developed in collaboration with American Expedition Vehicles, this package transforms the Canyon into a legitimate overlanding machine straight from the factory. A 4.5-inch factory lift dramatically improves ground clearance while delivering approach angles of 38.2 degrees, breakover angles of 26.9 degrees, and departure angles of 26.0 degrees. These aren't incremental improvements, they're substantial gains that position the truck for serious trail work. Protection is where the AEV edition truly shines. 5 hot-stamped boron steel skid plates guard the radiator, steering gear, transmission, transfer case, fuel tank, and rear differential. AEV stamped steel bumpers integrate recovery points and front winch capability, while AEV beadlock-capable 17-inch Salta wheels wrapped in massive 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory mud-terrain tires complete the transformation. This package positions the Canyon as a different kind of off-road specialist compared to the Ford Ranger Raptor. Where Ford focuses on high-speed desert running, the AT4X AEV emphasizes low-speed rock crawling and overlanding capability. Extreme off-road capability is impressive, but what about the features that make daily driving bearable? That's where the Canyon's premium positioning starts to show both its strengths and some surprising weaknesses. Number 4. Features. The Canyon has always positioned itself as the upscale alternative to the Chevrolet Colorado, and its feature set continues justifying that premium. At the heart of the experience sits a massive digital cockpit featuring an 11.3-inch diagonal center touchscreen and an 11.0-inch diagonal digital driver information center. These displays integrate Google built-in compatibility and voice-activated technology. Wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto come standard, meeting contemporary expectations for effortless connectivity. High-end buyers selecting Denali and AT4X trims gain access to premium amenities, including an available Bose premium audio system and rear console HVAC vents. GM's Hitch View and Hitch Guidance System come standard even on the entry-level Elevation trim, making trailer connection significantly easier. This demonstrates GMC's understanding of truck buyer priorities. All these features and technologies are great, but they're meaningless if the powertrain underneath can't deliver. So, let's examine what's actually moving this truck down the road. Number 3. Powertrain. The 2026 Canyon continues its commitment to a single powertrain option, the turbocharged 2.7-liter Turbomax inline-4, producing 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. Paired universally with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this strategy represents deliberate focus rather than limitation. The Turbomax engine delivers where it matters most. That 430 pound-feet of torque enables a class-leading 7,700 pound towing capacity, positioning the Canyon competitively against base-level full-size pickups. The high torque torque delivery provides excellent low-end grunt beneficial for both daily commuting and towing scenarios. General Motors engineered this unit specifically for truck application, utilizing a fully forged bottom end and strengthened block and crankshaft. These design elements, borrowed from diesel engine principles, aim to safely handle higher loads and RPMs. The relatively lower mass compared to the previous V6 contributes to performance dynamics, including 0 to 60 times around 6.8 seconds. By standardizing on a single engine, GMC achieves streamlined production and simplifies dealer service by focusing training and inventory on one highly capable unit. For a segment historically loyal to naturally aspirated V6 engines, the Canyon's single-engine lineup sets new standards, where power can come together with efficiency, while GM emphasizes the engine's robustness. The powertrain is capable enough, but here's the real question. Can a truck with premium pricing and upscale features actually perform as a serious workhorse, or is it all show and no-go? Number 2. Upscale yet capable. One of the Canyon's most compelling attributes is its refusal to choose between luxury and capability. Despite its upscale positioning and premium interior appointments, this truck maintains class-leading workhorse credentials. The 7,700-pound maximum towing capacity stands as the benchmark in the midsize segment. This isn't just marketing, it's genuine capability that allows the Canyon to handle serious towing duties typically reserved for larger trucks. The maximum payload capacity reaches 1,583 pounds. What makes this capability particularly impressive is that it comes standard across the lineup. You don't need to sacrifice luxury for towing capacity or vice versa. A Denali trim with leather appointments will tow just as much as a work-spec elevation. The engineering supporting this capability includes the robust Turbomax engine's substantial torque output, reinforced frame components, and the well-calibrated 8-speed automatic transmission. Four-wheel drive models feature a 2-speed auto transfer case, while the AT4X adds driver-selectable electronic locking differentials. The Canyon's ride quality further demonstrates this upscale yet capable philosophy. Unlike many trucks that sacrifice comfort for capability, the Canyon manages to balance both. The suspension soaks up road imperfections without feeling overly soft, providing composure on highways and rough terrain. So the Canyon delivers a legitimate capability wrapped in upscale packaging. But all of this means nothing if the pricing doesn't make sense, and that's where things get really interesting for 2026. Number 1. Pricing. Pricing strategy reveals GMC's calculated approach to protecting margins while strategically positioning key trims. The most significant change is a $400 increase in destination charges, bringing the fee to $2,095. The base elevation 4x2 trim saw a $500 MSRP increase, which combined with the destination charge hike creates a $900 net price jump. This pushes the starting price to $40,995, positioning the Canyon significantly higher than rivals like the Ford Ranger XL, which starts approximately $5,750 lower. Strategic adjustment appears in the AT4 trim, which received a calculated $300 price reduction to $45,400. This move sharpens the AT4's competitive edge in the popular off-road segment, potentially encouraging buyers to upgrade to the GMC brand over similarly equipped Chevrolet Colorado trims. The Denali trim maintains its premium hierarchy with a $1,000 increase, reinforcing its status as the luxury benchmark. This deliberate pricing protects the Denali's positioning while creating clear differentiation from the AT4 below it. The firmly over $40,000 entry price solidifies the Canyon's identity as a premium midsize truck, but it inevitably drives value-conscious customers toward the mechanically similar Chevrolet Colorado. At the top end, the $70,000 AT4X AEV edition pushes into territory occupied by the $61,000 Ford Ranger Raptor. The 2026 GMC Canyon represents strategic evolution rather than revolution, and that's exactly what makes these changes so genius. From calculated visual updates to the formalization of extreme off-road capability through the AT4X AEV edition, GMC is strengthening what already works. The pricing strategy reveals careful market positioning, modest increases at entry level, strategic reductions on the popular AT4, and premium pricing that reinforces the Denali's luxury status. For buyers seeking an upscale midsize truck that refuses to compromise capability for comfort, the 2026 Canyon isn't making radical promises, it's simply perfecting a formula that was already working. But the Canyon isn't the only midsize truck that's shaping up for the next year with minor but effective updates. If you're more of a Tacoma fan, you definitely want to check out our video about the 2026 updates for the hybrid version. Power, efficiency, refinement. This truck now has all it takes to make an even bigger gap and cement its leading position.